Stop.
Ernie's getting booties.
Look.
Booties. Good job. Now we need 2 more.
Okay, one more. Come on.
Where are they?
Right here. What you got on there, Ernie?
Sit.
Come sit down.
Sit.
He has to pick up his feet.
Come here.
Sit down.
Can you see me trying to put these on him by myself?
No.
No, don't bite it.
Look.
This is a bad leg.
Hurry.
Look, Ernie's getting booties.
Look.
What happens if you let him go?
Huh?
What happens if you let him go?
Come here. Come here.
Oh my gosh. Walk there, make him walk.
Come on.
Oh gosh. Good, you're getting used to him.
Boy.
Good boy. Okay, you want to go in the house? Come on.